In this video, I'll show you how you can use Contact Form 7 to collect leads and email subscribers from your website. So if you have a WordPress website and you wish to collect email leads, then you can do that easily by just using Contact Form 7 and save those leads and subscribers into your Mailchimp account. Let's do it. Alright, so step 1 is adding Contact Form 7, which we have already done. So if we go to the contact forms, we have a default contact form. Let's go ahead and edit. We only need name and email field, so we just go ahead and rename the form as lead form, save the form. Alright, so step 2 is to add an extra plugin which will link this form to our Mailchimp account. So let's go ahead and do that. We go to plugin, click on add new, and in the search we will add Contact Form 7 Mailchimp, and the plugin which we are looking for is this one, Contact Form 7 extension for Mailchimp. We go ahead and click on install. Alright, now let's go ahead and click on activate to activate the plugin. Alright, so now our plugin is installed. Let's go ahead and review the settings. Alright, so we go back to our lead form, click on edit. After that, we scroll down and now we see a new tab which says Chimp-matic Lite, which is from the plugin which we have just added. So if we click on that, it's asking us to enter the API key from the Mailchimp. So let's go ahead and find that. Now to get the API key, we log in into our Mailchimp account, and from there we go to our account section. We go to extras, and here we have an option for API keys, and here's the API key. Let's go ahead and copy that. We paste it here and connect and fetch the email list. So what this plugin will do, it will help us connect the Contact Form 7 to our Mailchimp account using the API key, and from here we can see our mailing lists that we have created. So we can choose any of the list, and here we can see that subscriber email ID will be detected as email field from the form, and the subscriber name will be selected from the name field. Let's go ahead and click on save. Alright, so let's go ahead and add this form on a page and let's see how it works. So we have this new page. Let's go ahead and add a Contact Form 7 block, and from here we have only one form, that is the lead form. And we just go ahead and publish this page, and let's go ahead and open up in the front end. Alright, so here is our form. So let's go ahead and enter our name and the email ID, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so just putting up some random information here. Let's click on submit. Here is our confirmation message, which we can easily customize from the Contact Form 7 settings, but let's not bother about it in this tutorial. So now let's go ahead and check in the Mailchimp account if we got a new lead added in our email list. So let's go back to our Mailchimp account. We go to audience, and if we click on the number of contacts in this list, we can see that the email ID that we have entered in the form is now added here as subscribed. So now the email ID which we have entered in the Contact Form 7 is now saved in our Mailchimp account. So this is how you can connect your Contact Form 7 to your Mailchimp account and use that to collect leads or email subscribers from your website. So if you like this tutorial, then make sure you hit subscribe for the future tutorials like this. And if you go ahead and hit the like button, it will help other people to see this video and they might also get helped. So make sure you hit subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.